So hello guys, welcome back to my another videos. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix Signal app not working problem solved. So at first guys, you have to check your data connection, turn it on, and after that you have to go for Play Store and search your Signal app. So guys, after searching your Signal app, make sure that your app should be updated. So after updating this app, come back to the setting once, and after coming to setting, there's the app manager, app management, playlist, and SIG and Signal. So after coming here, tap in this force stop. So after that, come to the storage users. After that, clear this bot, clear chest, and clear data. After clearing this bot, come to the permission ones, and after coming to the permissions, click in the storage and make sure that your app should be alone. And after doing this all, you can come once to the setting and search for software update. This is your software update. So guys, if your software is not updated till now, make sure that you should be updated now. So guys, after doing this all, even if it is not working, then switch off your mobile once and turn it on. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.